Welcome to the HBApp Learning Center. In today's lesson, we are diving into the world of building contracts, a crucial aspect of any successful construction project. A well-crafted building contract is the foundation of a successful construction project. It protects all parties involved and sets clear expectations. Let's explore the different types of contracts and their key components.
There are four main types of building contracts we'll discuss today: fixed price, cost plus, time and materials, and unit pricing. Each has its own advantages and challenges, so let's break them down.
Let's start with the fixed price contract, also known as a lump sum contract. Imagine you're ordering a custom-built dining table. The carpenter gives you a single, all-inclusive price for the finished product. In a fixed-price building contract, it works similarly. The contractor agrees to complete your entire project for a predetermined sum. This price covers all labor, materials, and the contractor's profit margin. The advantages of this contract type are clear. You know exactly what you'll pay from the start, which makes budgeting easier. It also motivates the contractor to work efficiently, as any cost savings increase their profit.
However, there are some downsides. This contract type is less flexible if you want to make changes mid-project. Contractors might also build in contingencies to protect themselves from unexpected costs, potentially increasing the overall price.
Fixed-price contracts are often ideal for well-defined projects where significant changes are unlikely. Now, let's look at cost-plus contracts. Think of this like hiring a personal chef to cater a dinner party. You pay for all the ingredients, plus the chef's fee. In construction, a cost-plus contract means you pay for all the actual costs of the project: materials, labor, equipment, plus an agreed-upon fee or percentage for the contractor's profit and overhead. The main advantage here is flexibility. If you're not sure about all the details at the start, or if you anticipate making changes, this contract type can accommodate that easily. It also provides transparency, as you see all the costs.
The downside? There's less certainty about the final cost. You'll need to monitor expenses closely to prevent overruns. It also requires a high level of trust between you and your contractor.
Cost-plus contracts can be great for complex or unique projects where the scope might evolve. Time and materials contracts are similar to cost-plus, but with a focus on ongoing rates rather than total project cost. It's like hiring a handyman who charges by the hour plus the cost of any materials used. In this type of contract, you agree to pay the contractor based on the time spent on your project and the cost of materials used. There's usually an agreed-upon hourly or daily rate for labor. This contract type offers ultimate flexibility. You can start work without a fully defined scope and easily accommodate changes. It's also transparent. You pay for exactly what you get.
The main risk here is cost control. Without a fixed price, costs can escalate quickly if the project takes longer than expected. It requires active management and a clear understanding of rates and material costs.
Time and materials contracts can be useful for small projects, repairs, or situations where the scope of work is difficult to define upfront. Lastly, let's explore unit pricing contracts. This is like buying groceries. Each item has a set price, and your total depends on how many of each item you buy. In construction, a unit pricing contract sets a fixed price for specific units of work or materials. For example, you might agree on a price per square foot of flooring or per linear foot of installed cabinetry. The beauty of this contract is its clarity. You know exactly what you're paying for each unit, which makes it easy to understand and verify costs. It's also flexible if you need to adjust quantities.
However, estimating the total project cost can be tricky if you're not sure about final quantities. There's also potential for disagreement over unit counts, and some aspects of the project might not fit neatly into a per-unit pricing structure.
Unit pricing contracts work well for projects where exact quantities are uncertain, like landscaping or renovation work. Regardless of the type, all building contracts should include these essential elements. Each of these components plays a crucial role in defining the project and protecting all parties involved. Navigating building contracts can be challenging. Common issues include understanding legal jargon, ensuring all necessary elements are included, and spotting potential pitfalls. The key is to seek professional advice and use comprehensive checklists to ensure nothing is overlooked. To ensure your contract serves you well, always have it reviewed by a legal professional, customize it for your specific project, stay aware of local regulations, and utilize technology for efficient management. Speaking of technology, HBApp offers powerful tools to streamline your contract management process. With HBApp, you can keep all your contract documents organized, track changes easily, manage payment schedules, and ensure compliance throughout your project.
Remember, a well-understood contract is your best tool for a successful building project. Choose the right type for your needs, understand all components, and leverage technology like HBApp to stay organized. Start your next project with confidence.
Thank you for joining us in the HBApp Learning Center. In our next lesson, we'll explore the intricacies of project timelines and scheduling. See you then.